What's going on, guys? Rob from myppctraining.com. Stop by, download our free Google Ads optimization guide, and check out our advanced Google Ads training course. That's called Google Ads Training Academy. Link to both of those is on our website, and also I'll drop them in the description below this video. Alright, so for today's free training, we're going to go into how to set up your billing for the first time, or how to switch your billing and change out a different bank account or different card or whatever. It's really simple. So first things first, log into your Google Ads account. You're going to come up here to Tools, little wrench icon, go down to Billing and Payments. Alright, and it gives you a little summary here. Just a quick note, you should always have automatic payments set up for your Adwords account. So there's basically two options that people use. It's automatic payments, or it's you put like a preloaded balance. Like you can use your credit card, debit card, and put a balance on here. Like you can put on $350, and when that's gone, your ads just turn off and they stop until you reload it. I find that to be a pain in the ass, and it interrupts your ads and performance and all that stuff. So it's always easier to set up automatic payments for long term. If you're really gonna serious about AdWords, then you need to have automatic payments. Alright, so how to change our card or add a card or add a bank account, whatever. Really simple. Come under How You Pay, Manage Payment Methods, and we're just going to add them. So you hit here, you have two options, add a credit or debit card or add a bank account. So we'll do this one first. Add your card here, all your information, billing address, make sure you fill that out, and then you hit save and that's done. Or we choose bank account, and you just fill out your banking information and hit save, and that's it. Really simple. I know, extremely underwhelming video, but there's not much to it. So you can see Google did a really good job of breaking AdWords down in the new interface, and they really streamlined a lot of things and just made it extremely user-friendly and kind of self-explanatory. So that's really it. If you guys have any questions about billing or setting things up in billing, just drop them in the comments section below this video. I'll dive in there and help you out as best I can. As always, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and also if you want, I'm going to put a few links to check out in our description. I'm going to put one to our free guide, our paid course, and also our free Facebook group where we have a couple hundred members, or a couple thousand now, I forget what it is. And they all just collaborate and help each other with different AdWords issues. All right, so hopefully I'll see you guys in the Facebook group or in the next video.